If it ain't my time, then who time is it? Really putting in that work, I'm on a mission. What you twisting? Got it twisted, it's the 90s in this bitch, you better listen. Listen, you funkin' with my click, make a decision. Don't you get it? We still moving, 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 moving. Independent living, and we still moving, 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 moving. Tell me who the fuck gon' stop us now? That little nigga Dizzy finally getting noticed, huh? Out of all these rappers, that nigga the only one. I should diss cuz and style on him, but that nigga put in that work, I'm kinda proud of him. That's why I represent for my town. Niggas hate like I'm faking shit, working my ass off so niggas know it's more to the city than the Vegas Strip. Who else putting on like I, D to the I-double-Z-Y, the voice of the 702, but I heard the nigga really going worldwide. Thank God for the folks that have seen my growth. Hookah lounges and competitions, learning the game, how to learn some things. Personalities is optimistic, everybody wants some shit. Homegirl want the dick, I don't want the bitch. I'm on tour trying to get to the fans, goddamn I'm planning my ownership. Why? Cause Vegas is my stumping grounds. You visit here, we stump around, chumps it down. You couldn't get love if you was underground. You fiction money, couldn't fix it, bitch, you better dumb it down. Pulling in the crowd, still moving, who gon' hold me down? Damn. If it ain't my time, then who time is it? Really putting in that work, I'm on a mission. What you twisting? Got it twisted, it's the 90s in this bitch, you better listen. Listen, you funkin' with my click, make a decision. Don't you get it? We still moving, 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 moving. Independent living, and we still moving, 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 moving. Tell me who the fuck gon' stop us now? Yo, fuck what all these niggas say. Illustrate my illest ways, let me demonstrate. Dim the lights and eat your dinner plate. You ain't learned the first lesson. Yeah, you kinda rap good, but you ain't got the work ethic. Niggas got it fucked up. Coast to coast with my hopes up. Real shit, no backpack, don't cup. Niggas want what? Niggas want what? To be strong on top while they own us. I got plans for the world, praying hands for the world. We gon' reach to the music. Preach with a beat, leash to it. Don't stick with it if you can't stick to it. It's a motherfucking shame. Oh, it's a motherfucking shame. How we rapping God name in vain to confess our pains. I know we need change, but shit, niggas need water in hell. Oh well, can't fail. Try to help the world and they pull back. We the niggas that should rap. Matter of fact, I'm stomping on this hater face. Break away to save the day. I don't pop mollies, I just wake and bake on a day-to-day. Niggas try to hold me back, but I had to make a way. Cause when you bout your business, that's just something they can't take away. If it ain't my time, then who time is it? Really putting in that work, I'm on a mission. What you twisting? Got it twisted, it's the 90s in this bitch, you better listen. Listen, you funkin' with my click, make a decision. Don't you get it? We still moving, 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 moving. Independent living, and we still moving, 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 moving. Alright, nah, seriously, for real. Tell me who the fuck gon' stop us now? Yo, kick that nigga right in his face. If he in your space, you better let him have it. I told myself I was gonna be cool, act the fool when I won't be lasting. So I just let it go. Young and professional, eating these edibles. Hopping on planes off a plane as soon as I land, I know where to aim. Look, I feel that I've been misconceived. I see them looking, but is they listening? Really, it don't matter if I smoke this weed, cause it's my life and it ain't your business. Now it's time that I find my balance. Don't talk about me, talk about my talent. You ain't talking shit if you don't talk rapping. You a critic to the size of a cricket. Damn, I told him I'm ready and willing. Work hard every day, that's a given. If you giving, you living, you helping your niggas, I feel you cause I do the same. But you ain't talk to your God in a minute. And you stuck in some kind of position. Only getting on your knees when the problem exists, and I feel like you should be ashamed. So now I'm stumping cause I'm aggravated. I ain't with the procrastinating. Pussy, you a pussy. I think I seen you selling ass in Vegas, living out my imagination. I'm finna shock half the nation. Call me Mr. Half Man, Half Amazing. Ho. If it ain't my time, then who time is it? Really putting in that work, I'm on a mission. What you twisting? Got it twisted, it's the 90s in this bitch, you better listen. Listen, you funkin' with my click, make a decision. Don't you get it? We still moving, 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 moving. Independent living, and we still moving, 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 moving. Tell me who the fuck gon' stop us now?